Alright, y'all, it's bright and early. We got a beautiful little sunrise right here. I'm heading out to go snowboarding. I got my family in town for one more day, so today's our only chance to get up on the mountain. I haven't ridden in years. I remember I went once right before I got my knee fixed just to try it because I said, knee gets messed up, I'm already getting surgery on it. So now my knee's pretty good. I'm about to go put it to the test today, see how it feels on the mountain. I'm gonna go up there with One Shot, my brother Alex, One Shot's wife's coming. It's gonna be a really good time. So y'all stay tuned, check it out.
Time's a ticking, and the graves are digging.
We're getting out of here, about to head up the mountain.
Shred gang, Brain. Pocketbook. Mailbox.
Alright, get out of here.
Then this shit crazy, I'm lost in this beat. Got me up in a trend. You follow with me, you got me compete. Shout out that man, he gave me the keys to the 5380. I feel like
Made it up to Evergreen. We're about to have a nice big breakfast before we get up the mountain and go ride for the day. My grandma made biscuits and gravy. Check it out.
What's up, big dog? Hey.
Oh, go right past me. So.
Hi. I won't go right past you.
Is the back of the mountain open on Keystone?
No.
Sure.
That's not according to the report this morning. 16 runs.
I had a parkour 2 years ago, my other board. Every time I landed, it would put a shockwave in my feet and legs.
All right, we just got to the mountain. Suited up.
Suited and booted.
Zooted up. Let's go get a couple good runs in. Check it out. All right, we made it up. We're finally on the slopes a couple hours later.
25 years late there.
25 years later. Look at this view, man. This is awesome. Unreal. Gonna get these boots strapped up and we're gonna get it in. All right, y'all. I have not done this in a while, since before my knee surgery, so I am pretty stoked and excited. About to get this in, see if I can get down the mountain without totally busting my ass. No, I'm just kidding. I should be fine. It's like riding a bike. We made it. Time to ride. Look at this beautiful view.
I just want to soak up the sun. You should roll on. We should stay up, look at the moon. Baby, I need something new. Right now I got this on my mind, so I'ma say something. If I could go back in time, I wouldn't change nothing. Times was rough, yeah. Now we going uphill, got enough bread. So the homies fed. I ain't the type to take you out, but I'ma cook for you instead, yeah. I'm talking 4-course meals, not some cheese with eggs. I know that sound real good because it's something new. So take your shoes off, boo, and get comfortable. I swear I'm gonna stay up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the beach is
Yes, sir.
but you ain't the only one who needs something new. So let's stare at the moon. I'll pull it down for you. Your friends should've warned you. My heart feeling warm, yeah. Ice cold sand in between our toes. Smoking on a blunt till that morning sun come up. Yeah, baby. I just want to soak up the sun. You should roll. If you want me to. If you want me to.
Yeah, brother.
Pull it to the side and I put it on my lips. Shorty wanna ride when that RPM is high. She know I got that stick. She come in and clutch, yeah, and then we shift. Pull it to the side and I put it on my lips. Shorty
there for a minute.
All right, we just got done with our first run. That was pretty sick, huh, guys? That's awesome. Let's get some more runs in.
See a little hit?
Had a little break for the trees. For some trees.
And you could suck on these. You smoke back home a lot, Alex?
Pretty decent, man.
Carson still smoke?
I love going through the trees. This is my favorite part of riding up here. So I'm gonna give y'all a little clip. Psych. I'm just getting through these little trees, get down there. I'll get a good one through these trees here in a second.
I'm getting money out the bank, hopping off a plane, smoking dank. I'm nonchalant with this shit. Bougie bitch, smoking good tips, riding dick. She don't reply unless you leave a tip. You dig? That no charge and really buying you shit. And you never get that back, just like the time that you spent. I swear to God, it's fucking life is like a comedy skit. I swear this God really put my fucking mind to the test. I mean to smoke me something good, so now it's time for a session. I'm over all this boring news, put an S on my chest. I'm up and coming for you, villains, you next. I'm kicking in that red door to the duplex. Yo, who next? I'm about to flex on you fuck boys. If I'ma let out one shot, you finna run for it. Go hit the bag though, you boy too fucking slow. Watch me teeter hoes, she about to leave you though.
All right, that was awesome. I'm calling it a day. My knee is toast. I think I did 6 or 7 runs, which is pretty good. I was only expecting to get like 3 done. My brother and Jared are gonna go for another run or 2 because they got a little more energy, but I'm at my limit. I'm limping right now. I don't want to do any more. I'm gonna really regret it. That was super fun though. I'm stoked I can ride. Should be a fun season.
I just come cruising through. People take a look at me, they say, I don't know what to do with you. One of a kind, keep that bullshit off of my mind.
Bitch, I'm the greatest. You wanna talk that shit, but I ain't want to take it. Just try to tell you that you wasting your breath, you should save it. Muhammad Ali, I'm boxing these boys' ears. Yeah, I'm crazy, Lord gave me a good head on my shoulders. I got the strength to move boulders, so unfortunate there. Viking boy, light one up with a torch in the air. Do I really look that good or do you normally stare at strangers? Terminator, I can tell you in danger. My eyes red like a laser, feeling lazy, I'ma write some shit later. Counting paper on the couch while my dick in her mouth. This the shit my ex-bitch was always tripping about. I tried to tell her I'm the greatest, but she listening now. She comfy with that bench warmer, he gon' sit this one out. Bitch, I'm the greatest. You wanna talk that shit, but I ain't want to take it. Just try to tell you that you're wasting your breath, you should save it. Michael Jackson when I walk on these beats. It's Michael Jordan when you talk about my feet. Though bitches think on Jeremy when they take a look at the sheets. Fuck you, Ron. I think I'm better when you look at the deets. Take a look and you can see that's just what
Yeah, that was a good day. Good little warm up. Gonna get to sparring here in a couple hours. Probably do a couple handstands before we get out of here. So, good day. Cat got her running done. She's going light.
BLVD. Boy, I came from the street. Give thanks to a king. Guarantee my hand get you raised up when I